Hello, friends. Today I want to take you into the world of competition between two giants of technology. Our story begins where two brands, two paths, and two different philosophies are pitted against each other for a common goal, which is to win the hearts of users, iPhone and Samsung Galaxy. But this is not just a competition. This is an all-out war in the world of technology and innovation. First, let's enter the world of Apple, where Steve Jobs revolutionized the smartphone world with the introduction of the iPhone in 2007. Apple has won the hearts of its users with minimalist designs, impeccable quality, and a system that works like a Swiss watch. The iPhone is like a luxury car, stylish, precise, and flawless. But is luxury always enough? Now, we enter the realm of Samsung, the Korean brand that has entered the field like an energetic warrior. Samsung, unlike Apple, has focused on non-stop innovation. The first phones curved? Samsung. Professional cameras? Samsung again. They are like a never-ending innovation workshop, always trying to outdo the competition. But wait, this story is more complicated than that. When we look at the iPhone, what always catches our attention is the perfect harmony between hardware and software. Apple is like a professional orchestra where all its parts are in harmony. On the other hand, Samsung gives more freedom, like a playground where you can change anything you like, however you want. Now let's get into the more interesting part, the cameras. The iPhone is known for its natural colors and precise photos, but the Samsung Galaxy has always won the hearts of its users with its amazing details and vivid colors. Which one is better? Well, it depends on what you want, natural or flashy? And finally, we come to the big question. Which one is more worth buying? iPhone, with its higher price but unmatched quality, or Samsung, with its greater variety and extraordinary features? This is not a question that you or I can answer alone. But what is certain is that both brands have defined a part of our digital lives, and each of them has a great story to tell. So what is your choice, iPhone or Samsung? The story of the competition between these two brands is still ongoing, and every year we see a new chapter in this adventure. Let us know in the comments which brand you are a fan of and why, because this story would not be complete without you.